The procedure for printing with Elements is pretty much the same as Photoshop, but we'll have a quick look at both Elements 6 and Elements 8 because there are very minor differences between the two of them. Version 6, first of all, here we are. I'm going to hit Command P to open up Elements print dialog box, very similar to that of Photoshop. We just need to make sure we have the correct printer selected. We're going to print at actual size. We're going to center the image, but we're not going to scale it. In the color management column, under color handling, we're going to select no color management. You'll probably find that by default it's set to printer manages color, but we need to select no color management, which grays out these boxes, and then hit the print button. And then in exactly the same way as we did with Photoshop, we select in the print dialog box, we select our printer, we come down here and select color management and switch it off by hitting that radio button. We then go to print settings and set this up for the media and quality settings that we want to use in future. So I'm going to set this to Epson Premium Semi-Gloss, and color I'm going to go to advanced and switch off high speed. Then I'm going to go up to the presets drop down menu and select save as. Give this a meaningful name. And click on OK. And that will mean that when I print the second of the two test charts, I can use this preset R285 semi-gloss and know that all of the settings will be exactly the same as it was for the first one, and in future I can use this preset after I've received my custom profile for creating prints. And all that remains is to hit the print button. So let's just cancel out of this and have a quick look at Photoshop Elements 8, which looks very similar until you hit Command P. Elements 8 has a very simplified print dialog box, and that's because it's got more buttons down here with stuff hidden away. But in the main dialog box we can select our printer and our paper size, A4, and actual size for the print size. Down here we need to go to more options, and here we find the color management settings, and once again for color handling we need to select no color management. Again, it's probably set by default to printer manages color, so we select no color management, and then we click OK and then click the print button, and little print warning box pops up telling us that the following image will be rendered at less than 220 dpi at the requested print size. We know this and it doesn't matter. The fact is the color chart's being printed at 72 dpi, but because it's a color chart it doesn't matter. So just hit the continue button and we're back in the familiar print dialog box where we follow the same routine as for Element 6.